Bay Isimangaliso Marine Protected Area.
Rich and diverse with over 2,180 recorded plant species, these sandy shores and dunes offer more than just a beautiful spectacle. Creeping plants provide protection from the ever-shifting dune sand and disturbances that cause erosion. Plants like sea pluckies with their rubbery green and yellow leaves, round, fleshy fruit, and small white flowers. And the Hottentots fig, the succulent creeper with fleshy leaves and its capsule fleshy fruit. It produces beautiful purple daisy-like flowers.
The coastal silverleaf, a medium-sized tree with one side grey, one side green leaves. Its flowers are white and thistle-shaped.
The bush thickberry, a 3-meter-high bush. Leaves are silvery, hairy, and fleshy. Flowers are yellow and daisy-like. It produces tiny blackberry fruits.
Providing protection further into the dunes are our magnificent tall indigenous trees that provide a more stable ecosystem to thrive. This is the Natal wild banana, also known as the Strelitzia nicolai. It is 8 meter high, growing in clumps with large, shiny, dark green leaves. Its flowers are beautiful black-blue crane-like flowers.
And the sweet-root corkwood canidoot tree, a medium-sized multi-stemmed tree. It has a messy, densely twiggy canopy, smooth dark green wood with peeling brown flakes when it's fully mature. As the name states, sweet root, it has deliciously yummy roots and is favored by elephants. Each plant and each tree in this ecosystem plays a vital role in the diverse nature of our sandy shores and dunes, and has for many years, and hopefully many more years to come.
Thank you for joining us into our sandy shores and dunes. Join us next time as we explore more of our beautiful Setswana. Subscribe and like for more videos.